We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for content creation. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and head over to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have one yet, you need to create it by following the on-screen instructions. Once you're in, you'll see a text input box where you can start your conversation with ChatGPT. To create content, start by typing a clear and specific prompt. For example, if you're writing a blog post, you might type, "Write an introduction for a blog post about sustainable living." Press enter and let ChatGPT generate the text for you. You can further guide the AI by asking it to elaborate or provide more details on specific sections. If the initial response isn't quite what you were looking for, you can try rephrasing your prompt or asking follow-up questions. For example, can you give me 3 key benefits of sustainable living? Use the AI's responses as a foundation and feel free to edit and tweak the content to fit your style and voice. If you're working on multiple sections of a piece, break it down by giving ChatGPT separate prompts for each section. This keeps the content organized and focused. Remember, while ChatGPT is a powerful tool, it's important to review and fact-check the information to ensure accuracy and relevance. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas by asking it to generate topic lists or outline structures. This can be particularly useful if you're experiencing writer's block. Experiment with different prompt styles to see what works best for your specific needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.